This is a LEMAX 192 voltage, 100 amps, high voltage lithium batteries. Let's see here on the screens, we have the battery voltage, SOC, max voltage of the cells, minimum voltage of the cells, temperature. Let's touch the screen and see each battery cell's voltage information. Go back, temperature, heating temperature. This version is already upgraded. Let's see the back side of the batteries. So we put all the terminals inside the case of each layer. See? Only this port is to connecting with the inverters. It's connecting with the microwatt inverters, 12 kilowatts. This version is more beautiful now because the backside we don't have so many cables. Well, to compare with the first edition, this is the first edition of this high voltage battery. So you can see the battery cables here. Now the upgraded version already, no cables here for each layer.